at the end of the day, when we all buy something, we are buying with emotion. You buy a pair of pants because they make your body look a certain type of way. You buy a certain type of face mask or moisturizer because it's gonna improve your skin. So you have to figure out how to create a product or how to sell a product that is going to solve a problem that someone is having. My younger sister came to me and she was like, I want to start a business. Can you show me how? So this video is going to be the video that I sent to her, but I'm also making it for you guys. So when you decide to start your online business, you're going to start building wealth eventually, and this is going to be another source of income for you. So first things first, I'm not going to hop on this video. Let me put my AC on a little bit, you guys, because I'm about to bake. So I'm not going to hop on this video and make claims like as soon as you start your business, you're going to start generating money, you're going to have more money in your pocket, more money in your bank account, and it's just la la lee la. But it's not like that, you guys. Owning a business, having a business, you have to put the work in, which is why most business owners fail. So you're definitely gonna have to put in work to grow your business. Don't come into starting an online business thinking that this is gonna be some type of get rich scheme type of thing, because you have to put in a lot of hard work and a lot of time. So as someone who started their business back in 2016, I just figured I will hop on here. Like I said, my sister wants to start her business. I'm very qualified to make this type of video and give you guys some tips on how you can begin your online business. Okay, so this is gonna be my number one tip before you even get started. When you are thinking of a product to sell, service to sell, you must be passionate about this product. I cannot tell you guys how many businesses I've started in the past, like before I started my main business back in 2016. Done selling hair, I've done doing like pressed eyeshadow palettes. That's how I started my business. And like, if you're not passionate about something, it's not going to stick. It's not going to hit. People are going to be able to pick up on that. So if you're selling something, make sure that you actually love that product and you are passionate about whatever niche you are choosing. The second most important thing is knowing who you're selling to, knowing who is your target audience. I have an entire video on target audience up here. I'm going to link for you guys to watch that if you're interested. You definitely should be interested in watching that, because you need to know exactly who is the person that is going to be buying your products. You have to know the person, you have to know what they want, you have to know what problem they're having, how you're going to solve that, because this is going to help you get sales. When you start a business, you cannot have a product that is for everyone, because you are not going to be discovered. Your product is not going to be found. You are not going to stand out. So you have to know exactly who your product is made to serve, who your product is made to help. Who is it for? Because at the end of the day, when we all buy something, we are buying with emotion. So you buy a pair of pants because they make your body look a certain type of way. You buy a certain type of face mask or moisturizer because it's gonna improve your skin. So at the end of the day, we all purchase products, we buy things with emotions. So you have to figure out how to create a product or how to sell a product that is going to solve a problem that someone is having. You guys, I just realized that when my camera fell, that my lens fell off. Now I have to pull over to look for my lens because it's so freaking tiny and I will definitely lose it. Got it. I need this thing is. So you guys, the third thing you're gonna do is get your product. Like, are you going to be hand making this product? So if you're doing wholesale, if you chose to go with wholesale where you're buying the product already made, or you're sourcing it from somewhere else, or are you going to be sourcing your products from China, or are you going to be sourcing it from the United States? If you guys are not aware, sourcing products from the United States is going to be more expensive than sourcing from China. But the thing is, the turnaround time is different. Like, you're going to be able to get your products faster if you're sourcing it from the United States, but please expect to pay more. So let's say you're working from a wholesaler that's in the United States. The chances are that wholesaler is getting those products from China. So why not just cut out the middle person and go straight to the plug, go straight to China? I would definitely recommend to just use China and find a really good vendor on websites like Alibaba.com. As you guys know, I've been using Alibaba for years, ever since I started my business. So I have an entire playlist. As you guys can see, I create playlists for everything. I want you guys to be able to watch these videos, write down the tips, and start your online business. So we have the Alibaba.com playlist for you guys so you can find really good wholesalers and vendors. And if you guys don't know the difference between a wholesaler, a vendor, a manufacturer, then you need to be watching this playlist. So after you guys have gone on Alibaba and found a few vendors that you think you might want to work with, you want to start ordering samples. I feel like this part is the most lengthy part because whatever type of business you're trying to start, clothing, makeup, handbags, children's clothing, lingerie, whatever you're trying to sell, you want to make sure your product is going to be really good quality. Do not skip the step of ordering samples. Don't do it. You must order samples because sometimes it looks like the same product, but their quality is different. Sometimes it's a wholesaler and not a manufacturer. So you have to sample your products to make sure you are getting the best quality products before you're gonna order a ton of products, right? You wanna make sure your product is the best quality. So the next thing you're gonna do as a person that's trying to start a business is create a website. I'm definitely gonna recommend Shopify because I use Shopify. I've used Wix before, but I just really like the setup of Shopify. So that's why I'm recommending you guys to use Shopify to start your business. They do have a $1 trial that you guys can get. Oh, look at the baby deers. Look, you guys, 1 baby deer, 2 baby deers. So go set up your website. If you need to learn how to build a Shopify store, let me know in the comments and I'll make that video for you guys, how to build a Shopify store from scratch, because I've built a few stores. So what you're gonna do is enable a coming soon page. So this is the page that's gonna display on your website URL. When they type in www. whatever your website is, that's what's gonna show up. You want people to see a coming soon, and you want people to be able to input their email, their number, their name, so you are capturing their information. Capturing their information is gonna allow you to send out emails when you finally launch. So you're able to get instant sales for people who are already interested in buying your product, even though you haven't launched yet. You guys, I see so many people skipping the step of the pre-launch where you have a coming soon page. You need to have that page, and you need to have people interested in your business before you even launch. Okay, so I don't even know why I put my seatbelt on because I'm already home. So let's say that you have everything set up, your coming soon page, your product, you already sampled it, you know exactly, you know the quality, you know what it is, and you're ready to launch. Psych, you're not ready to launch, because before you actually post that your product is available and you open your website up for sales, you need to do a pre-launch. So we are back. I'm home, got my Red Bull. So pre-launching looks something like having content already pre-recorded for your product release. Like, you want to have content to market your product. We live in a very social media based world right now. So if you don't know how to create content, then you need to learn how to create content to market your business. I literally have a content marketing course. I swear, every time I say something and then I point up here because I have what you're looking for, it literally blows my mind, because I literally have everything that you guys need to start your business, to get your business off the floor, to get sales, to market your business. I have literally everything, so utilize it, you guys. I have this marketing course on exactly how to market your product. I literally show you guys how to record. I show you guys what phone settings, and I also give you guys ways on how you can create goals for your business, you guys. Absolutely insane. I have literally everything you guys need to start your business. So you have to learn how to create content to market your business in the proper way. Most of the time, I'm telling you guys, when I get clients, when I book one-on-one calls and you guys are telling me your problems and I'm doing paid evaluations, I go to your page. Most of the time, you guys don't have really good quality and you don't know how to properly create content and record your videos in a captivating way. So that's something that you definitely have to learn as a small business owner, or you can hire somebody else to do it. You have to have the content already pre-created for your business, getting ready to market it. You need to start publishing coming soon type of posts, sneak peeks type of posts, to get people interested in your business. Because if you just decide one day you want to launch a business, oh, I want to launch a business, I'm gonna launch it today, and you just press launch, you're going to hear crickets. You want to get people anticipated and excited for your launch, for your business, to shop with you, to buy your products, to send you money, basically. So yes, you definitely have to do a pre-launch. Do not skip this step, you guys. I see a lot of businesses fail, and this is why. So there you guys have it, the basic steps to launching an online business. And if you are someone who needs further depth guidance. You guys know I always got you guys covered. Like, it's literally my mission to just help you guys, to be able to have you guys say, oh, I watched this, Viva made this, and now I have my business, it's successful. I have the testimonials for that. Like, I have people who actually use my content, use my courses, and they launch their businesses, and their businesses do amazing. So if you are someone who needs further in-depth help, I have an online business course that is literally going to teach you everything about starting an online business. As a beginner, you don't know what to do, you're lost, there's like information overload out there, and it's not really giving you so this course is going to get you from point A, not owning a business, to point B, to owning and opening and establishing your own online business. So definitely check out the business course. It's currently on sale for back to school. I wanted to do a nice sale for the moms. So yeah, go ahead and check out the business course if you guys are interested. Yeah, you guys, that's gonna be it for this video. I'll catch you guys on next week's video. Be sure to check out the recommended videos, you guys. The video to learn how to market your business, the video to learn your target audience, and also check out more details on my ultimate business course down below. So I will catch you guys on next week's video. I hope you guys have a blessed weekend. I'll see you guys next time. Peace and much love. Bye, guys.